What's going on? Welcome back on When Pix 5. My screen recorder isn't open, so it's useless. I would put black screen with some colors. Ooh. So open it. Why did I say so too much time? I don't know. I don't fucking know. I'm so fucking poor in English and I want to speak English. So, yeah. Now it's open. Huh? Hello. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Oh shoot. Yeah, I will know. Oh shoot. I think that song was so loud. When did I get? Too loud. Oh, whoa, shoot. Way too loud. 3, 2, 1. Start. Hello everybody and welcome on When Pix Live. So this is an old model. Let's pick my controller. Unmute the sound. It's so loud. Oh my gosh. Sorry speaker. I just punched it. Throttle on. Oops. Oh, the control on inverted. Oh, mute. How is that possible? Oh my gosh. Yeah. I ate the song. Fly. Sorry. Wrong button. Oh my god. Did it response? What had just happened? Okay. Many we lost control of the controller. Doesn't have the keyboard to control it. It's poor as fuck. Can't control this, and you can hear that button. So shut up the engine. Let's. Why did I say so too much time? I don't fucking know. Land it. Oh yeah. I landed. Press brake. Brake. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I landed. Can I take it off? I'm so fucking. Oh, shoot! I broke something. Oh, bugger! Oh, goodness! Oh, yep, no. I don't have any trim on this. I just have the water to trim it. So don't touch the controls. Oh, I was really sad. So too much. Don't touch any control and let it go. Just elevate door up. The pitch one. Oh, sorry. I touched the demo with the microphone. Sorry. Okay. So, why did I say so? Oh, 5% battery. And when I want to say it's pretty good, huh? Just for takeoff is hard as hell. Huh? As hell? As fuck. Oh, I'm too tired. It's just 5 minutes in. It's already boring. Let's make some trash. Where's the bottom? This lock. Oh yeah, we made it. Now it's too short. What? Oh, okay. It was peaceful. Oh, do you? Oh. I can think of. Oh yeah. No, I can't. Oh, I take off and I crash. Land on wheel. Oh crap! God, so much kick. So yeah. Mute. This model is pretty good to fly. Just 5 engine. Oh, why? It's not 5, it's 3. I'm poor at math. No, it's totally false. Throttle up. Elevator up. Flaps on. And there we go. Water. I don't know. I believe I can fly. I believe I will crash. Oh shoot! Shoot. What? Right. What the heck is happening here? Okay. Oh hell yeah. Oh. Sorry. I made it. It's 9:22 and back to build. So here is the end of the video. See ya.